The most dangerous jobs in the world. When we think about job safety, it often doesn't cross our minds that some professions come with extreme risks. But there are jobs so perilous that they might not be worth the danger. Let's take a closer look at a few of these high-risk occupations. Ice road truckers. Imagine driving a 50-ton truck across frozen Arctic lakes, rivers, and seas. Ice road truckers navigate these treacherous routes for hundreds of miles, transporting essential supplies. The risk here is substantial. Any crack in the ice could lead to disaster. The combination of severe cold, isolation, and the fragility of the ice makes this job incredibly dangerous. Sulfur miners in Indonesia. In Indonesia, sulfur miners work in hazardous conditions, extracting sulfur from the floor of a 660-foot deep acid crater lake inside an active volcano. Besides the ever-present threat of volcanic eruptions, miners deal with toxic gases and carry up to 220 pounds of sulfur by hand down the mountain daily. The harsh environment and physical demands make this job exceptionally risky. Alaskan crab fishermen. Fishing for Alaskan crabs involves working in one of the most hostile environments, the Bering Sea. Fishermen often work 7 days a week in extreme conditions, including darkness and freezing temperatures. With a fatality rate 50 times higher than most professions, the dangers of drowning and hypothermia are ever present. Crocodile wrestlers in Thailand. In Thailand, some individuals perform dangerous stunts for entertainment, such as wrestling crocodiles. This involves placing their heads between the jaws of these formidable creatures and enduring an hour of high-risk performance. The sheer unpredictability of dealing with wild animals makes this job extraordinarily hazardous. Each of these jobs represents a unique set of dangers, highlighting how some professions come with risks far beyond the norm.